and waterborne diseases. Though there are many sort of purification technologies like reverse osmosis, ultrafiltration, nanotechnology based filtrations and all, since we cannot complete with the essential needs of water, still lakhs and lakhs of people suffer from extreme cases of waterborne diseases, though this holy nation is blessed with plenty of water resources. On investigation on the availability of pure water across the nation, we came to know about the fact that the cost of filtration for a unit of water is extremely high as far as the middle class people as well as the economic standards of India is being concerned. And with the next survey which we have conducted, we came to know that more than 40% of the water which is available in our country is actually not replenished, but again and again it is added by the wastewaters across the nation. Which means the available pure water resources are being polluted day by day, and the cost of getting the polluted water back into an edible or usable water is too high. And with the limited resources that we have in our nation, we can say that the greatest crisis of the era is water crisis. So as a solution for this, we were going on thinking, and these were the findings that we have found out that as in the case of flood in Uttar Pradesh, Chennai and Kerala, the major threat that the nation has ever faced was the availability of pure water to drink. As per the standards of the World Health Organization, the water should be maintaining a certain quality, and on our investigation, we found out that including reverse osmosis technology for the water filtration is not that applicable for drinking. Because an ideal water should be maintaining a pH of 7.4, which is actually aligning with the pH of a normal human blood. Unfortunately, even in the reverse osmosis, we are not getting this purified water. So, we came with a technology which includes both water purification at a reasonable rate as well as the pure water which is filled with minerals will be delivered to you. And this is our product, Way Pure, the way you drink pure. It is a product of an MSME registered nanotechnology named company, which is being innovated by second year engineering students of Nehru Institute of Engineering and Technology, which includes myself and my team. And here, why we prefer Way Pure is, it is a smart water monitoring system and it is more efficient compared to all the existing water resources, and it is more cost effective. That is, approximately you will be having to pay around 30 paise for filtration of a liter of water. Next, it uses a most advanced technology which will be helping you to get the available water more easily. And this is the highlight of our product, that is more than 10 lakhs liters, approximately 5 to 10 lakhs liters of water could be purified from a single unit, and it has 2-in-1 waste management also. Now, let me explain how the Way Pure works. A typical miniature model of Way Pure consists of 3 units. First is the sand filtration unit, second is the nanofiltration unit, and third is the delivery unit. In the sand filtration unit, you can get the wastewater, that is the water which even includes, I'm having a video, the water which even includes human excreta could be delivered to the unit. I repeat, the water which can even include the most dirtiest form of element in the world can be introduced to the inlet. You can even include safranine like dyes, which is highly expensive to remove. What we have is a column. In that column,
3 minutes left.
In that column, there will be a filtration unit which will be having a nano layer, and this nano layer will be filtering all the chemicals as well as all the nanoparticles and including viruses at a single stage of purification, and what will be left back is the pure edible water which maintains a pH of 7. And finally, the biomolecules which will be present inside the water will be collected at a separate unit which includes Methylophilus methylotropous bacteria, which will be converting this organic matter into biogas and derivatives. This is how the 2-in-1 process of water filtration works. And finally, at the outlet, the water is recharged with essential minerals, and this water will be maintaining a pH of 7.4 and thus making it edible. And the innovation behind this is it's an integration of water purifier as well as water treatment plants, as I have told you, and we can even filter the water which contains the biomolecules into useful biogas derivatives, and it can even convert the saline water into edible water on a further modeling or modulations of our filtration unit. And the entire system is automatic. Once you install the system, you need not go for updations and all. And
the company can guarantee that for 2 years time there is no need for absolute replacement of or maintenance of anything. Thus there will be absolutely a very minimum cost of maintenance will be maintained. And how we aim at our primary steps are, our primary market is to be including the wastewater treatments and management plants of India, because where it is very high to, it is a very demanding area where the conversion of wastewater into pure water is too high. And secondary market will be aiming at the residential areas and implementation at domestic levels, where we can deliver the water at a cost of, you can see that if you want to buy a liter of Bisleri water which will be actually mineralized, it will cost around ₹50 for a liter of water. With Nanier, you can go and filter the water at a rate of 30 paise per liter, and that is the advantage of our product. And we can even intimate it in the international markets where the water scarcity is too high, like in the countries of South Africa, and it is too economical too. And this is how our product will be looking. It's just a block diagram. Once there will be an inlet unit, from that inlet the water will be delivered into it. There is a suction unit which will be taking it to the recycle unit, where the waste available will be converted into useful biogas derivatives. And finally at the outlet there is an adsorption and nanofiltration unit which filters even the smallest virus known in this world. And before we conclude, this was an innovation which we have already displayed at the National Level Technical Exposium at Delhi. And it is a product derived from Nani technology, and it's an innovation from the students of Nehru Institute of Engineering and Technology. And we proudly present our product, Way Pure, the way you dream pure. The next generation water purification system is safe in our hands. Believe us, we can purify whatever the water be, and we can deliver you the most edible and suitable water which will be free of all bacteria and viruses. Thank you.